Today, I'm going to show you how to put an intro in front of your video using Filmora 9. Stay tuned. Let's do this. This is Charles Diggs, and I thank you for coming to my channel, which is Business with a Regular Guy. I'm going to talk about today on some editing, the editing software, Filmora 9, and how you can put in an intro into your video. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, this is the interface, okay, of the editing software Filmora. First thing you want to do, if you want to put in an intro, first we got to find an intro, right? You either make your own intro or you can get it online, these intros for free or a paid intro. So I got here, I actually got a little template, and I actually made an intro for myself. One of my first intro of this channel. Okay, and I also already got a video. So all thing you actually have to do, and it's very simple. Only thing you have to do is you actually have to import it, download it from your computer or from a website, and actually put it into the system itself. And once you actually do that in media, okay, then you can actually click onto it. It's very simple, easy to do. You actually click onto it. This is going to pop up, okay. All right, and there's the intro. Now, I'm going to cut this intro off a little bit. Let's just play it because I think it's an older video that's on it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually cut. This is actually an older video right here that has my intro on it. I made a mistake and put another video on there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out this intro. I'm going to actually cut out the part that I don't need. And how you do that is very simple. You're going to cut it, you're going to splice it like this. When I watch this, this is this red line. I'm going to cut it. Now, remember, this is an older video. So I'm actually going to cut the rest of this video off. And I'm going to put it in the trash. Okay. And so now let's play it again. Okay, so that's going to be my intro. Now I'm going to add the other video onto that end of it. So once you put the video at the end, which is very simple to do, now we just play and see how it turns out. Today, I'm going to review Frame Filter. Okay, so that's how it's done. It's that simple. Putting your intro in front of your video. You can get an intro. You can either get it free from the internet, or you can get a paid intro. And I'll show you in later videos on where to go to actually get a paid uh, intro, introduction for your video. Or you can make it yourself, but it's that simple for this particular software to be able to edit, okay, your videos. Very simple. So that is the conclusion of this video. If you like this particular video, just like and subscribe. I'll be doing some more tutorials on Filmora 9 in the very near future, where I'll be talking about background music, a little splicing, all kind of different other different things that you can do in your videos. So thank y'all. Y'all be blessed, and I'm out.